In this question, before the integration, I need to simplify the expression. So if I expand the bracket m, it is similar to a minus b whole square. So which is a square, minus 2 ab plus b square. Root of x, which is x. I am separating the expression in three parts. So dx minus integration of root x cancel. So dx plus integration of 1 by x dx. Integration of x, I know that integration of x power n equals to x n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here integration of x will be x square by 1 plus 1, which is 2, minus integration of x power 0. So x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, which is x, and integration of 1 by x, we know that integration of 1 by x is log x, and since it is indefinite integration, so integration constant will be there.